Hi, let's see one of the most interesting sum of this chapter based on concept of equal sets. Now the question is, decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer, and 3 sets are given to us. Now child, as we have already discussed that sets are said to be equal if they contain same elements. Now in this question 3 sets are given to us. All 3 questions are given in set builder form. So before we identify which are equal sets and which are not, very first thing we will convert all 3 sets from set builder form into roster form. So the first set is given as set A. So A is a set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equals to 2. Now whenever we solve any statement in set builder form, whatever comes after such that means that small vertical line, whatever comes after that small vertical line, we have to solve that. So if you observe in set A, after that small vertical line there is an equation which is given to us, that is 3x minus 1 equals to 2. So we'll start our solution for set A. We write equation 3x minus 1 is equals to 2. Now in order to find value of x, we'll shift this minus 1 on right side, it will become plus 1. So we write 3x is equals to 2 and minus 1 when shifted to other side it will become plus 1. That is a basic calculation which we are already aware of. So therefore 3x is equals to 2 plus 1, when we add we get 3. So 3x is equals to 3, that means x is equals to 3 upon 3 and 3 upon 3 gives us 1. So we'll now write that set A from set builder into roster form. So the name of the set is A. So we'll write A is equals to curly bracket and we will write value of x, that is 1. So we have converted first set from set builder into roster, that is A is equal to curly bracket 1. Now let's observe set B. B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. Again if you observe set B is given in set builder form, we'll convert into roster form. So whatever comes after that small vertical line such that we need to solve that. So after that small vertical line, we observe that x is a natural number. So what are the natural numbers? It is very easy. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called as natural numbers. But x is a natural number such that it is neither prime nor composite. Now we already know that there is only one number which is neither prime nor composite, and that number is nothing but 1. So we write set B in roster form as B is equals to curly bracket 1. So we have converted set A and set B from set builder into roster form. Now let's observe set C. C is a set of all x such that x is an element of that capital N means natural number and x is less than 2. So again we need to first convert set C from set builder into roster form. So whatever comes after that small vertical line such that we need to solve that. So it says that x is an element of natural number. So let's have all the natural numbers, and we know that natural number always starts from 1. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But one more condition is given to us, that is x is less than 2. It means we want that natural number which is less than 2. And if you observe list of natural number, there is only one natural number which is less than 2, and that is nothing but 1. So we write set C in roster form as C is equals to curly bracket 1. So far what we have done, we have converted all 3 sets, that is set A, set B and set C, from set builder form into roster form. So A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1 and C equals to 1. Now if you observe set A, element which is present is 1. For set B again it have same element, that is 1, and set C also it have same element, that is 1. That means all 3 sets A, B and C contain same element, and since all 3 element contain same element, we can say that all 3 sets are equal. So we write final statement by writing a statement that since A, B and C contain same element, we can write A is equals to B is equals to C.